What's going on, everybody? Jerry with 3D HP, and in today's video I have some maple. It's got an MDF core. I went to a place which I'll show you right here on the screen called Peterson's Lumber here in Las Vegas, and I bought a 4-foot by 8-foot sheet of it. It was a little warped on the corners. I picked up 2 sheets and it was $32 a sheet. Hard to work with material that large, so I put it out on my picnic table out front, cut it down with my skill saw to get the proper size to fit the full bed on my LaserMatic II, which is 16 by 16. And I'm going to do I went over on Etsy, I found a really cool American flag, and it has a national anthem on it, and I thought that'd be really cool to do on this. So that's what this video is about. We're going to cut it out on the LaserMatic II. I'm going to, we'll play some really cool music that I think you're really going to enjoy, and we'll get it all painted up, and that's what today's video is about. Please like, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate it. And here we go.
Neon nights, bright lights in the fog, innovators dreaming with every log, cutting edges, sparks fly in the night, crafting wonders, it's such a sight. Etsy's got the blueprints, the magic in their files, 3D HP in Vegas with the tech that beguiles. Rolling LaserMatic II's the name, burning through the future, carving out the fame. Johnny in the shop, late night, burning dreams. Sally in the corner, lost in laser beams. America's heartbeat, hands of creation. God bless this land, God bless the innovation. God bless the innovation. Mighty machines turning thoughts into gold, crafting myths and legends, new stories told. From the desert sand to digital skies, revolution building right before our eyes. Whispers of the past mix with future hymns, inside those glowing lines the future's ever so dim. But in those precise cuts there's a new dawn, watching the rise as the night turns to morn. Johnny in the shop, late night, burning dreams. Sally in the corner, lost in laser beams. America's heartbeat, hands of creation. God bless this land, God bless the innovation. God bless the innovation. Johnny in the shop, late night, burning dreams. Sally in the corner, lost in laser beams. America's heartbeat, hands of creation. God bless this land, God bless the innovation. God bless the innovation. Neon nights, bright lights in the fog, innovators dreaming with every log, cutting edges, sparks fly in the night, crafting wonders, it's such a sight. Etsy's got the blueprints, the magic in their files, 3D HP in Vegas with the tech that beguiles. Rolling LaserMatic II's the name, burning through the future, carving out the fame.